Hi, Scott Grove here, and the Veneer Tech Challenge Award competition is open. If you're not familiar with this is a very prestigious Veneer Award, and there's a variety of categories. You have architectural woodworking, cabinetry, furniture, marquetry, specialty items, which can be lighting, wearables, sculpture, boxes, you name it. That goes in that category. And there's also a student category for students. In addition, there's a first-time entry category or exemption, if you will, which is you don't have to worry about competing against the experienced veterans, right? So if you've just started working in veneer, consider entering this competition. It's great for your resume, and also there's some big money included. Check out the Veneer Craft Challenge Award. You won't regret it. All the entrants have to be made within the last 5 years, and this is a worldwide competition. This is a big deal, so consider entering it. If you, like me, love veneer, this is the one to enter. So please check it out. Hope to see your work.